So right now we're obviously getting ready for the relaunch of Shibarium at any time, and there's a discussion that's going to pop up time and time again, and that is burns, right? Burns, burns, burns. Everybody wants to know how much SHIB is in fact going to be removed from the supply because they think that this is necessary to hit some of these high price points. And I think a lot of people are making this big mistake. I think a lot of people are truly focusing on this. They're looking at this the wrong way. Okay, do burns help? Absolutely. Okay, they would definitely make it easier to move to the upside in terms of price. But do I think it's necessary to reach price points like 1 cent? No, I don't think it is. Now, this isn't financial advice, and you guys can take this whatever way you want. Yes, I understand. The market cap would have to reach $5.9 trillion in order for SHIB to reach a cent without burns. But people don't look at it on a broader scale. Okay, they don't look at how big the global market cap of crypto is supposed to be. People will say, "Oh yeah, that's bigger than the market cap of Bitcoin." Yeah, I get that, but Bitcoin doesn't stay stagnant. The market cap moves up and down. In a bull market cycle, it's going to be higher. As there's more capital to flow into crypto, market caps across the board are going to get higher. That's just the simple fact of how it works. And by the end of this market cycle, they're expecting a $10+ trillion market cap. By 2030, they're expecting close to 100 trillion. Okay. We're going to go through some massive growth phases. And really what this has to do is with adoption curves. Okay. Right now, this is where we're at. We just crossed into this early adopter phase. Okay. Right now we're at 5% of the world in crypto. We're still so early right now. Just look at how much further crypto has to go. And believe it or not, the growth goes parabolic. That's probably what you're going to see over these next two market cycles. I don't know if we hit the late majority by 2030, but we're growing faster than other things in the past, faster than the internet, for example. Okay. So people don't realize how much capital is expected to flow into crypto. And guess what? Shibainu has set itself up to be one of the main coins to receive that capital. It's got worldwide recognition. It's building huge things right now. Okay. Obviously, burns are going to happen. One way or another, they're going to happen, whether they're community-led burns, token-led burns, whether it's part of the Shibarium dynamic as a whole, just from transactions within the ecosystem. But don't make the mistake of thinking that burns are absolutely needed to raise the price, because they're not. We saw Shibainu hit a $50 billion market cap just on pure hype before it had utility, before it did anything, with more supply than there is now. Okay. So that's where I think people get a little hung up. Do I think burns are going to happen in large quantities? Absolutely. I think once Shibarium gets going, once a lot of these partnerships and other tokens go live and there's integrations, it's going to continue to gain popularity. It's already one of the easiest and most recognizable coins in the crypto space. Obviously, you have BTC, which basically everybody in the world knows about, even if they don't do crypto. And you have Dogecoin, you have Shiba Inu, and you have Ethereum. Those are the big four that have that kind of recognition that if people are getting into crypto the first time, they're going to take a look at. And when you have something like what is being built right now surrounding Shiba Inu, I think it's going to be a one that is going to climb the ranks in terms of its market dominance. Could it go to the 5 to 10% of crypto? Absolutely. Okay, don't sleep on SHIB, guys. But that I kind of wanted to clear that up. Really, what you need is adoption. My mother-in-law is outside. She's outside my window here waving at me. She was scolding me. But anyways, that's what I wanted to make clear. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'd love to hear if you think that these burns are in fact necessary, or if you think we can hit some of these price levels without the burns. Don't be reliant on something that you can't control, guys. But I appreciate you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Show your support below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.